Hello everyone, welcome to Tech in 5 Minutes. Lately, we've seen a lot of debate regarding distinguishing quality assurance and quality control. Are QA and QC fully separate processes? What are the risks of carrying out QA versus QC entirely independently? Our QA and QC teams are always kept in the loop. So far, this approach works well for us. Well, let's find out why. On our channel, we share our own experience and knowledge in software development. Interested to learn more about app development, best tech stacks, proven business tips? Make sure you subscribe to our channel. So what is quality assurance? QA is proactive. It aims at preventing issues before they are detected in the product. What's product quality control? QC is a reactive approach, focused on the end product, its functionality, interface, and performance. And what are the distinctions? 1. Scope. QA is focused on primary production. For us, it means that the code itself must be clean and developed properly. QC takes into account secondary factors as well, such as hardware differences, browsers, API compatibility, etc. You can see their comparison on the pic now. Let's move on to the next point. 2. Methodology. Quality assurance methodology analyzes the development process, defines product requirements, and defines user expectations. Do you want to know the difference between functional and non-functional requirements to set clear benchmarks for your product? Click the link in the description box to read our article. Getting back to our burger, you can see that our QC team operates with a set of criteria and metrics created by the QA. Usually, quality managers prefer QA over QC, considering this work more creative. But we think that dirty tasks like refactoring, cleaning out tech debt, fishing out bugs are exciting. Don't you agree? Drop your comments now. 3. Timing and duration. At Jelvix, QA starts at the beginning of the process at the planning stage. QC starts at the later development stages, once there are ready pieces of functionality. QA is a long-term continuous process, oriented at improving the team. QC lasts less, as long as the team has a product to work on. 4. Goals. QA goals are long-term. They include predictability, to minimize the number of unexpected issues. Efficiency, to improve the development and testing speed. User-driven approach to deliver products that derive from user needs. Flexibility, to build practices that fit any project. Quality control goals are product-driven. They include reaching deliverables, making sure that the product works on different devices, checking compliance with the requirements, devised by QA, documenting all the processes, validating user experience and testing functionality. 5. Measurement and statistics. Our QA team uses check sheets, control start, Pareto chart, and stratifications, diagrams to measure the efficiency of the testing and development process. QC teams use statistical quality control techniques to measure the quality of the end product. Did you know that in software development, it's common to bring QA and QC experts from an expert outsourcing team? Remote audits, consultations, and cooperation allow cutting organizational costs, getting an expert specialist with years of experience, and receiving a third opinion. Although QA and QC are independent units, we cannot split these two processes. At Jelvix, QA and QC cooperate in a cycle. Once QA is done with the first interaction of optimization, they communicate the insights to QC. Then, QC comes back to the product, and the cycle continues. And that's it. This video was prepared by Jelvix. We provide software development, UI/UX design, QA, and testing services. Need experts' help? Find our contact details in the description box. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you enjoyed it and hit the bell button. By the way, do you know that the success rate of IT projects is about 30% statistically? One of the main reasons for that is the wrong choice of methodology. A new video about Agile versus Waterfall will go up soon on our YouTube channel. Subscribe not to miss it. Stay tuned.